think of is we should get married. We should get married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, let's get carried away.
So this is a finishing product. Yep. We didn't put the shells on, but these are the shelves. It's supposed to be 5 shells on each one. Hey, my babies. I know I look a little rusty, crusty, dusty, but so be it. Today is January. I'm sorry. Today is February. February the 1st, 2023, and it's Wednesday, and tomorrow is Thursday. Look at my hair. I didn't even know you could see my edge control. But tomorrow I will be 30 weeks. So that means I got 10 weeks to go. Y'all don't mind my hair. I'm just getting it ready for tomorrow because I gotta go to work tomorrow. So we just finished these things we got from Target. They are bookshelves. What we're gonna use is things to put clothes on. I'm gonna show y'all the little inspo on this side. I'm gonna show y'all the little inspo on this side. But I don't have any hangers, so we can't hang nothing up right now. But I'm gonna take all the stuff that's in her little corner and just sit it over there for right now, just to do something. This basically gonna be like the start of my nesting, cause I think you can start nesting. You can start nesting whenever you feel like it, but I think 30 weeks is a good amount of time. Cause I ain't finna go into details, but I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all. I ain't gonna make 2 videos since I'm already doing it. But y'all already seen all these other things. If y'all ain't seen these clothes, the haul is
on YouTube.
On YouTube, on my page already. So y'all can go find it and look at it.
If you're new to her Facebook,
these are her 0 to 3 months. I think we got some more clothes over here.
excuse her mama slow. Dang,
Her dad is slow too.
We gotta get her a birth certificate and
It's gonna come in the mail.
her social security.
We already asked her about that, remember? Last time.
We gotta get her
Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine. What you heard, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine. I just wanna say you're mine. What you heard, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
So here we got 1, 2, and newborn diapers. Then we have wipes. Then these are her newborn to 3 month clothes. Newborn 0 to 3 months. 2 pieces, romper sets, pajamas, pants, shorts, onesies. Then these the 3 to 6 rompers, onesies, shirts, shorts, pants, pajamas. And then this the 6 to 9 months. And all of these are sets. Then we got her hair bows, some Tula shoes, socks. And we finished. Everything out the corner. And on the little rack. This not permanent, but it's off the floor.